Hey guys, so got another restoration here. I'm gonna try to do a little something different with this video, add a little bit of commentary, and excuse me if I sound very muffled. I'm actually sick as of recording this video, but here's our another restoration. I can't remember the name of this car. This is a Dodge from what I looked up, but I'll put it down below. You'll probably see it pop up now, but this is a Dodge, and my idea with this is we're going to lower it. If I can focus, we're going to lower it, add some stripes, and make it kind of like a really cool lowrider. Alright, let's get to it. So one of the things that I want to do with this car is learn how to properly mask off certain areas for painting. I have been doing that with another car and it's actually been working really well. However, just had to strip it and redo it again. But I really want to do it with this because I really want to turn it into those really cool like lowriders that you see, like the ones that can, you know, raise and lower, you know, with the hydraulics. I'm not going to do it with this, but I just want to see if I can lower it, put some nice wheels. I'm going to paint it gold with white stripes going through it now, but first let's take this car apart. Alright, so now we're going to put in this paint stripper and we're going to let it strip for however long. Here's the car all stripped. Now what we're going to do is we're going to sand it down to remove these lights and make this a little flatter.
Prison for fraud in a template
Alright, so it's sanded, it's ready to go. We're gonna hit it with some of this metal primer, and then we're gonna add our primer on top. Now I tell you, this stuff, amazing. If I haven't said it before, I'll say it again. This stuff has helped me so much when priming Hot Wheels. All it does is just creates like a tacky surface for the paint to stick on. I've honestly never had any bad experience with it. It's saved me a ton. Okay, so before, as we're letting it dry, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with our white. This is gonna be my base coat. I'm not really gonna put a primer on it. And then this is gonna be our top coat because this color paint is perfect. I actually used it for this Ford GT LM. You can see the video on this on my TikTok. I'll link it in the description down below. And the gold stripes on this car was used with this paint and it just came out perfect. Also made some custom decals. So yeah, link in the description down below for that car. So yeah, let's go hit it. Okay, so here it is, painted. I did actually have to put a coat of primer and then the base coat on top of it. So here we are, nice smooth. I did do a little bit of wet sanding on it just to smooth it down. Take some masking tape. We're gonna mask off some areas. I'm still trying to learn on my masking skills. All right, let's get to it. So here it is masked up, if you can see it. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply our final coat and we're gonna let that dry. So let's get to it. Okay, so here is the car. I already took the liberty of taking off the strips because I honestly just wanted to see, because I had a suspicious feeling that it wasn't going to turn out the way that I wanted it to. And yeah, as you can see, it really did not work out. I was kind of going for like the old school Corvette look with the sides here, but I didn't really mask the tape properly. I didn't cut it to the correct shape, and especially trying to add like the stripes on the top here didn't work out. So what we're gonna do, some of this glittery gold spray paint that I got. Now I'm thinking if I do like a light mist over just to get some light gold, you know, see if it works. So we're gonna try this instead. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so here it is. I repainted it gold. And we're just gonna keep it like that, right? We're not gonna add any masking tape or anything. In fact, I was actually working on another car. This is a Chevelle SS. If you want to see how this one turned out, link for my TikTok is in the description down below. You can see it on there. And then we're gonna hit it with that gold spray paint. We're gonna see how well it turns out. So here it is. Honestly, I was really impressed with this stuff. I honestly thought that it was going to be some kind of like gold spray paint. It's literally just glitter in a can. All right, here it is. And I gotta say, I'm actually really impressed with how it turned out. I've never used this kind of glitter spray before, and I honestly thought it was going to be some kind of glittery spray paint, but it literally is just glitter in a can. I don't know if you can see it. It's probably the my lighting and whatnot's not giving it justice, but honestly, this looks really, really good. Okay, so now what we have to do is work on the base. So figure that out next. How's it going, everyone? I hope everyone had a good time over the holidays, good time for New Year's, and I hope everyone just enjoyed that break. So I just want to come on here and address a couple things. First thing I'm going to address, I will say I apologize how this video turned out. I didn't even realize that there was a lot that I didn't record, and I think it had to do something with my SD card. There was a lot of videos that were not there that I thought I recorded. Above all, I can make excuses. It's just my fault for not even paying attention to it. So this video is extremely janky, and I apologize for that. Secondly, I just want to come on here and apologize for, having not recording anything for the past couple months. I gotta say, I'll be honest a little bit, it's been hard for me to find a good job lately, and I did actually find a good job, and I've been just working in it for the past couple months, and it kind of took me away from making customs and making videos because I was just kind of focused on my work schedule. So yeah, I apologize for that. However, in the meantime, since I've been away, I realized my channel grew up to 200 subscribers. I gotta say, guys, that is such a big achievement. That's a second big achievement from the first time we talked about getting 100 subscribers. But hey, thank you all so much for helping the channel reach 200 subscribers. I wish I can come in here and give a better thank you, but you know what, guys, thank you all so much. It does really mean a lot, and the fact that you are watching these videos and you are giving me support. So thank you all so much for helping me reach 200. Now that we're at this point, the only thing we can go from here is to reach 300 subscribers. So thank you all again. Let's reach that 300. All right, now let's see how this car turned out. Okay, and here we are. It is finished. I gotta say, the sparkling gold on this car turned out exactly the way that I wanted to. I love the wheels matching with this car. It's perfect. I even went a step further just to polish up the bottom. I could have done a little bit more with the polishing. I'm still learning how to do that, but I think overall this car turned out really well. Some slight issues with like the window fitment and trying to sand it down better. Sorry about that, everyone. So my camera actually just cut off As I was just about to finish this video, so I'm gonna try to finish it over my phone. So like I was saying, the window fitment and just properly getting rid of scratches on the window, I'm still trying to learn how to do. And I find with older cars, especially like older red lines like this one, the windows don't fit properly. So something I'm still trying to learn how to do, but I think overall this car turned out really, really well. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about it, and hey, tell me which car you want me to work on next. All right, everyone, thank you all so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Peace.